Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we are going to build an igloo. Alright, so we are going to build an igloo. We're going to build the base and then the challenge at the end will be for you to build your entrance with the leftover materials. Now, I've given you enough to build this. We are going to start with the base. So go ahead and take out what's in your kit, your building materials, and we are going to start by making that base. All right. I want you to make an octagon, which is a stop sign. It's 8 sides. So that's what we'll start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then what's going to keep them together? These. So go ahead. Slip them in. And just keep going. Okay, once you've got your lovely octagon base, we are going to make the sides. So as you can see, there's a triangle, a square, triangle, square, triangle, square. We are going to make the triangles first. So go ahead and take 2 and put them together like that. Okay, and so since this one is the square, we'll skip it. And we have a triangle. So every other one will be a triangle. So we know this will be a square. And this side will be a triangle. And this one will be square. This one will be triangle. Okay, and for all your triangles, again, connect them at the top. So go ahead and do that. Lovely. Now, what about the squares? We got to complete it, right? Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to connect it at the top. Do you see how there are 2 triangles here on the top, 2 sides? So we're going to do that as well here. So first, we're going to make our diamond. Do you see the diamond? And then we're going to put one of these across to create it, divide it into 2 triangles. So go ahead and make your diamond. And now put one across. Beautiful. You have the base of your igloo. And you've completed the main portion. Now that you've done that, I want you to use the rest of your building materials and try to build this entrance. That is the challenge I have left for you. Now that is just enough material. My hint to you would be you might have to break one in half. All right, I wish you the best of luck. enjoy making the rest of your igloo.
Did you know igloo comes from igloo in the Inuit language meaning house? Inuits are indigenous peoples of northern Alaska, Arctic Canada, and Greenland.